啦，记得吃了。
Some maple syrup, we're off to the oven. Let this pancake batter cook. Moving on to the next step. Great job.
Oh, yeah. hours later. Hi friends, the lighting. Hello everybody, I hope everyone's good. It is Friday, very late. I'm only starting this date. There's been a lot happening today. It's been a very busy day. Not gonna get into it, but I am going to happy hour. I was invited to a happy hour at Boyle's. It's a shoe store. I don't know what it is really. I think you're meant to be there happy houring and shopping. I'm definitely not going to be shopping, but yeah, I was invited, so I'm gonna go and take you guys with me. Why not? Something for us to do. I'm not sure about these lips. I think I'm gonna wipe this and change it. But yeah, I already did everything. Not much makeup at all. This is what I am wearing. Brown on brown on brown. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for the cab now. I'm gonna take this off in the cab. Maybe we should see how it looks first before we leave the house. I think so. But yeah, the cab should be on it. Should be here any minute now. So we're just waiting for that. And I'm pretty much done getting ready. Let's show you the outfit on my... Yeah, the bed is a mess, obviously. I was getting ready. And yeah, just leggings. This is a long sleeve bodysuit and blazer. Just doing brown tones today. I'm not gonna stay out long. I'm wearing these boots because it's raining outside. So yeah, cute.
Oh, yeah. Mess it up.
town, and where we're going looks interesting. It looks interesting. So Kayla, I'm meeting up with Kayla today. We're going there together. So she's just gone to HSBC right now, to the bank. So I'm just I'm walking to her now. Yeah, it's interesting. Let me show you the cute lights. Beautiful, right? Oh, I like that soda. My forehead looks so big.
Girl, the shade of it all.
What is this, honey?
Leave me alone, please. Just leave me alone. Oh, look at them! This one. This is the one. Yes.
See this one dancing?
He's dancing.
Yeah, look at that.
Ah, you putting on a show for us?
Dancing, yeah.
Look at him. Oh my goodness. Is it open? No, it is? Oh gosh, I want to see. Ah, the cutest. What do they say?
$7,000.
And
purebred toy poodles. So you know exactly what you're getting. Tiny.
So it's really light and fluffy.
Oh my
You can't go wrong with
god.
them. And then we've got beautiful poodle fur, which is why everyone breeds them with other dogs. Really wants poodle fur. It's hygienic.
Right.
I don't have fur all over my house.
They make it hard to see faces.
I'm partial to them
Such a bougie
because I
dog.
have
Like
one. It
me.
is a bougie dog.
Very.
But you know,
And the color.
and the color, it is a gorgeous color.
Guys, it's the color. Look at these.
See one of them?
Please.
Yes, please.
They just come all the way around.
He don't-
I got 3 little girls and
Oh.
stay tuned, sit down. So that one's mine. That's 9 months old.
I don't know.
They came in.
I'll face it my way.
They came in Wednesday night. They're the sweetest little boy.
Hi. Oh, you look scared. Oh no, you're wagging your tail.
They
Guys, how cute.
just have little dogs. And you're playing with each other, but they're not sleeping.
Look at this. Perfect.
Whatever you want with their fur.
Yes.
Most people exaggerate their stuff back at night. So she wasn't used to hearing the buses. I get home after 6. I haven't heard the buses for a while. But with a couple treats, I'm teaching her a lot. But no, they're not yappy dogs. And other than that, she only barks when my husband comes home. Sometimes.
Just look at how natural this is. I love you so much.
Baby. Hi. Hi, sweet cheeks.
I probably had
Oh, these are nice. It's Kayla in the building. The boys, look, I don't have money, so I'm not buying shit. Christmas tree. Look how pretty it is. We're gonna get some food for a pickup truck today. Not a pickup truck, a food truck. So let's see what we're getting. Cute, right? So this is an all vegan. It's actually my first time trying this. Hello.
How you doing, old pal?
Good, thanks. Are you closing?
No, we're open till 9.
Okay. It's my first time getting something from here. Let's see what we want. Not a pizza. I think.
And I also have a special today.
Yeah.
I have vegan spaghetti and meatballs.
Okay,
I have
that's
some.
let's
That's too much.
no, let's do that.
Okay, so I have vegan spaghetti and meatballs. It comes with sauteed veg like calamari.
Yeah.
And I have some like Italian breadsticks. You want to do that?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
And yeah, alkaline triangle by the way.
Oh yeah.
Triangle. Welcome to the triangle.
Exactly, guys. Come check them out. If you come to Bermuda, come here. Or if you live here, just come here. Okay, let's wait for our food. Let's have something healthy for once.
Where are you from?
I'm South African.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah. Paying for the
Okay,
food.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Welcome.
Lovely to
Have a
meet
great
you.
time. Welcome again to Alkaline Triangle. We're here to serve and feed the community that good food,
Yes,
that healing food.
exactly. Thank you, guys. Have a great night.
Have a good evening, love. And yes, give us a follow on Instagram.
I will.
Definitely see you around, alright?
Absolutely.
You have an Instagram something?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
do.
Just give us a follow.
Yeah, I'll follow you guys and then you'll see me.
Alright. See you later, love.
Thank you. Okay guys, I'm gonna go back home now. Town is not that exciting. We'll try again tomorrow. First time trying a vegan meal on island, and this was absolutely delicious. Black bean meatballs and spaghetti with some kale. I really enjoyed it and it was really filling and quite nutritious, so I give them a huge thumbs up.